welcome to Mike C. This is Pete. I already named my new car. Oh, this is my new car. Pete, he's a pilot. Pete the pilot. All the girls out there know what that means. Mike.
The pilot. I don't know what that means.
From The Bachelor.
Oh, this is the EX model, in case you guys didn't know.
What's an EX?
That's like the top of the dog pile.
Oh.
Yeah, they've got the LX and they've got the EX.
We got the EX.
Yeah, check out those alloy wheels.
Ooh.
Leather seats.
If you guys want to know a fun fact, I bought this car from my dad, and my dad bought this car from Mike's parents-in-law. We know all the owners.
Crazy. We were thinking about like a 4Runner, a Lexus GX, a Land Cruiser, a Tacoma. We were looking at all these options, thinking maybe like $10,000 or $15,000 or something, which Lauren actually could have paid cash for because she's very smart with her money.
Woo.
But she's smart with her money. So she decided to go the economical route, $4,500, right?
Yes.
It's got 150,000 miles, well maintained. We know the full history from when it was brand new off the lot. Was in great condition about 2 months ago.
Okay.
Lauren could have spent like $4,500 on any of those other options that we mentioned, but she'd be getting something with a salvage title, rust, major oil leak, probably due for a timing belt, maybe been smoked in. Instead, 150,000 miles, reliable, comfortable, fairly fuel efficient. It's got 4-wheel drive. Not
and I know
quite
for
as
a
cool.
fact my parents treated it like a baby.
A little baby. So
it has 7 seats. That's pretty cool.
I think
Whip
it's
around
got
all the
8.
friends.
I think it's got
Is it
8.
8?
I think it's 3 and 3 back here.
Oh,
So she could take 7 friends with her, or if she decides to have 6 kids someday, she doesn't even need to buy a new car. She's good to go.
I kind of want to... What is that? Is that a Mike C sticker? Pop at Mike.merch.
Very spacious back here. She can fold down that back seat and she can sleep back here and be comfortable. She can put a whole mattress in here, probably queen bed, right?
I have a full, but...
You can fit your full back here. You set for that camping trip.
I have this super sick roof rack.
Oh yeah.
Up there.
Actually, that's pretty nice. It's Yakima. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I've already put a paddle board up there. I have a paddle on the back, tires on it.
Oh yeah.
From the
pretty decent.
Summer.
They're not the best tires out there, but they are in all-terrain, so much better than the bald tires that she had on the CRV. They're siped, so they'll be good in the snow. And an off-road video is coming, so stay posted.
Woo.
If you guys ever saw the CRV off-road, it's gonna be worth your time. Nice and spacious in the back seat, if you got rid of all the junk, of course.
We got lots of pasta. If you guys didn't know, Albertsons has a 5 for 5 deal. I think that's pretty good. Don't you think? That would kill me right now if you saw that. You used to always yell at us.
Yeah, that's the sad thing, is that the prior owners of this car just babied it. Took such good shape, and if they saw it now, they'd be like...
They'd freak out.
Why did we waste our effort? You got a, what is it, a 6-disc CD player?
Yeah.
6 discs.
I actually want to take that out, but it's pretty cool. Thinking a little Christmas present to myself.
Heated seats. That is going to be amazing this winter. That is a huge upgrade from Leyroy. Yes. She's replaced the Jolly Ranchers with Sour Patch Kids. So the Jolly Ranchers, that was the CRV trademark. Sour Patch Kids and Now and Laters are the
somebody
pilot
owes me Now and Laters from taking my car out and eating all of them.
Her brother and I borrowed her car and took her for a trip. And we ran 26 miles and I was hungry. 3.5 liter 6-cylinder. It's got 240 horsepower, 242 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 8.1 seconds, an EPA rating of 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. Can you believe it? And tow capacity is 4,500 pounds, so you can get that RV that you've been wanting.
Except for this thing.
Little travel trailer. 4,500 pounds.
It's not the tow package.
Oh, you don't have a tow package?
I don't have a tow package.
All right, we'll be installing a tow package and a video coming to you soon.
And we're gonna turbo it.
Turbo. And a 3-inch lift.
Yep.
With mud terrain tires. So yeah, that's it. I mean, this is Lauren's new ride. Sorry. Does it already have a turbo?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't have a turbo. So, as you can see, pretty sweet ride. It's not, you know, any of those really cool, like, overlanding vehicles, but it's affordable, it's reliable, it's in good condition. And she's got a ton of cash in the bank that she can spend on like
living
food or college.
But
anyway, here is the new ride, Pete the Pilot. And is that really going to be the name?
I don't know. Yeah. What do you guys think? What do you think I should name him?
Leave your suggestions in the comments below. To stay up to date on our progress and adventures with the pilot, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.